think we are walking to eat the Mexican food. The cars. Oh. That's a one. That's too cold.
Ayun.
Ayo. Ayo.
You want some
So
money?
walking muna tayo while waiting the time.
Wasting the time. Have a go to it.
Waiting, not waiting.
Are you stepping the shit?
No.
Huh? She's looking. You're looking.
You scam me.
I scammed you.
Kalman. Oh,
Okay,
kalma. So, mag-coffee muna tayo. We're in the jungle of Australia.
Jungle of Australia.
We're in the jungle of Australia.
Oh, this is okay.
Oh, the mosquito biting me. Kain tayo ng sushi. Sushi. Shopping, shopping. Yung dalawa, mag-shopping na naman.
Want to get some bread?
No. Here we go! Yeah! Come on, baby! Dali! Come on! Come on! Come on! Good morning, sunshine. Good. Our team! Our team! Our team! Nakadalawang ano na tayo, nakadalawang beach na tayo. White sand dito. Ganda, oh, ganda nagsusurfing. Oh, wow! Woo!
We can.
I cannot see the water.
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 This two idiot is walking. Where the two idiot is walking. Oh, the weave. Huh?
Look, that's all the boys.
Tara, alis na tayo, maligo na tayo dahil pupunta tayo sa club, mag-meet up ng family, kakain ng lunch. So, let's prepare ourselves. Pa ng sad.
I'm serious.
Dahil holiday, yung grocery store is closed
No boots.
in the morning.
No boots.
You're gonna open 1 p.m.
No boots.
No boots. Dahil ang plaza nila ay may libreng barbecuehanan or griller. So, bumili kami ng karne, nag-barbecue kami dito. O, diba? Ayan, sa plaza, ang dami mga baby. Doon din sa kabila, mayroong nagpa-barbecue. Yan, mga kids naglalaro sa plaza. Kami nagba-barbecue. Cheers!
Cheers. At Diggers Club.
We are in Diggers Club.
Having a good time.
I'm drunk now.
Me
Feel
too.
tipsy. Okay, labas tayo sa social nila na mall. Social nila na mall. Lalabas kami. Dala siyang Moscato wine. Ako bitbit ko yung boots.
Boots. I got sir.
So mag-drink tayo mag-order tayo ng wine at saka beer for it's a rainy day. So it's good to drink alcohol as this guy is a beer person.
Just a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah. That's probably about right. Thanks. It's embarrassing.
Kamili pa. Kobe. Travel ulit. Travel yung first.
What's this?
No, because you do have
Marriage certificate.
oh, masarapan siya sa Helen's Kitchen Buffet. Ako ayaw ko na.